Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? Up until now, I think I've only talked about one or two range market trading strategy, which is the Bollinger Bands and MACD. Most of the time, I only focus on this strategy to trade with range markets. So for today, I will add one more range market trading strategy to the list so that if you find the Bollinger Band and MACD doesn't work for you, then you can try to use this strategy. It's actually the parabolic with MACD. So I used to use this strategy in a trend market, but then actually it works for range market as well. So for today, I will use this strategy and then show you the points that you need to keep in mind and the purchase timing that for you to trade using this strategy in a range market. First I will set up the indicators and then I will make few trades and then explain it to you in detail. Let's go to the indicator. So click on it, and we will select the parabolic. Click on parabolic. Okay, then now we open the drop down for parabolic. Open the drop down. Okay, for parameter we are using a 0.05 and 0.1. So again, step is 0.05. Max is 0.1. Now we get this down, then we can go to the oscillator. Then we'll choose the MACD. Then now just open the drop down for MACD. Okay, so go to parameter. Okay, the parameter here again we are using a 5, 35, and 5 parameters. So again, EMA1 is 5. EMA2 is 35, signal is 5. Now the indicators is set, then we can go to the last confirmation, which is the chart period and option period. So for chart period, I will be using a 10 seconds chart and then I will be trading with 30 seconds option. So again, chart period is 10 seconds, option period is 30 seconds. So now we are all good to go. Okay, first I will talk about the how this strategy actually works. So in range market the price goes up and down, and then the moments that it goes up and down is when it approach to the resistance or support. So with this strategy for the parabolic, it's actually quite sensitive to the price movement. So if it goes up, it appears as a blue dot. If it goes down, it appears as a red dot. So that actually fits the criteria of range market trading. So we want to find out where the price goes up and down. So that's the timings that we are looking for. And then on top of that, we will use the MACD to have a confirmation signal for the parabolic. So we confirm the bouncing points, so we can make a trade with these two indicators. Now I will place a trade here. Then first the strategy is actually to look at the MACD first. If the two MACD lines cross over and gives me a green histogram, then I move on to the parabolic. Then in the parabolic, I need the dot to turn blue. So if it turns blue, then I will place a trade. So it's pretty simple. So it's actually really straightforward as well. So now the trade is ending in profit. So with this strategy, the one of the most confusing part is to identify a range market. So I will try to find a obvious price movement here to you for you to explain to you how to identify a range market. Okay, so this one is not bad. So to identify a range market, all we need to do is just to identify a highest price on top of the candlestick and a lowest price below the candlestick. So if we put a line on each of these two prices, then we can see that the price is actually moving within a horizontal channel. So it doesn't have a particular price movement. So that I know that the price now is in a range market, which I will be able to trade using a range market trading strategy. And then if we take a look at MACD, it actually gives us some hint as well. So you see the two lines is actually moving up and down, below and above the baseline, the zero line, quite frequently. So that I know now the price, the upward movement is fighting with the downward movement. So none of them is winning. So that's why the price is moving up and down frequently, and then it is in a range market. So that's how I use the candlestick and the MACD to identify a range market. So once we can do that, this strategy becomes really easy. So I will try to make a trade again. So now you see the MACD crossover. So I place this trade here. So again, the MACD crossover and gives me a green histogram. Then I move on to the parabolic. So now you see I have a few blue dots here, so which indicates the price is in an upward movement. So that's why I placed it a high here. It's okay. So the trade is about to finish. And it's ended in profit. So let's take a look at the history. Okay, go to history and trade history. So two trades today, and both of them are ending in profits. So again, this strategy itself, the indicator itself is really easy to use. So all you need to do is just to identify a range market. So once you are able to identify a range market, then everything becomes really easy. So if you do have any question on how to identify a range market, feel free to leave me a comment down there. Or if you are not sure on how you might be able to use this strategy, let me know as well. Then I can try to explain it to you more in detail. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. And if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video. And I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.